And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $81.20. Okay, a swing has already formed, so we have seen it is going further upside. Probability will be very high that if the price sustaining above a level of 81.7, we can see it will go further upside and it can cross a level of $83, and once started crossing that level, we can see it will cross $84 and then it can cross a level of 85.5. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of around 79, and from there a probability of crossing 77 we can see. And if the price started falling below 77, a further downfall we can see. Looking at this particular chart, if we go on a dollar index, you will see that the dollar index is continuously on a higher side. Okay, because if we go on a weekly wise chart, you will see clearly that how the price of dollar index started going upside, and there is a clear U pattern is forming, so we can see dollar index will go further higher, and the crude is also moving along with it. Okay, so probability of going further upside we can see, but this is one of the factor I'm telling you, because we have seen other commodities always try to go in a reverse position, but the crude sometimes move along with this. Even we have seen in the natural gas also. So if there is some uncertainty, always try to set your SL, and this will save your capital, and always try to trail your SL, that will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, so once the price started going above this level, we can see a level of 106, and from there it can cross a level of 106.4. that level is already being a weak support, so chances of resistance, so it can cross this level. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 105.5, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 105, and then it can come down. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stock. One more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of $81.84. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it can cross this level, and from there it will cross a level of 83 also, because 83 again being tested, already tested. So probability high, it will cross a level of 81, it can cross a level of 83, and then probability of touching 83.8 will be there. Once the price started sustaining 83.3, a probability of touching a level of 84.5 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 85.5, after that a level of 86.2. As soon as the price sustaining over 86.2, we will see it will cross a level of $87.6, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are it will cross that level, and from there it will touch a level of 89.5 and then further upside. Okay, and then a further high we can see, and as soon as the price started sustaining over 87, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, now as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain, so if you're putting your SL, it will save your capital. If you're trailing your SL, it will save your profit. These two things you have to do. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 80.5. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards $79.78. Okay, if the price falling below that particular zone, chances are high it will go further down, and a probability of touching $78.2 will be there, and then a probability of touching $76.4 there. Okay, and if the price started falling below 76.4, a further downfall we can see, then a probability of going below a level of around 74.73 will be there. You have to understand, as soon as the price started going below a level of $76.3, probability will be very high, it will go further down, and then it can touch a level of 75.13, and then to a level of $74.33. Okay, $75.13, then to a level of 74.33, and if that level move further down, we will see a level of 72.5. Okay, and then if the price started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $71.3. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 69.34. Okay, and if the price falling below 69.34, we will see it will touch a level of $68, and then it will move below that level. Okay, if the price falling below that level 68, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.